Hello guys and welcome back. So today I want to share my experience with actual PLC. Actually, I was fortunate enough to get a hold of actual PLC here next to me, which I will show it to you. And then I figured out how to use I have some buttons, I have some toggle switches. I figured out how to connect them and how to use them. It's a very simple Micrologix1000, and we have 4 outputs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inputs, 0 to 5 inputs and 0 to 3 outputs. So I want to share with you my very first program I wrote. It's gonna be about how to control 3 lights, and the idea behind that is the idea from a stoplight. So I hope you guys enjoy it, you guys like it. It's very simple, it's just the beginning, and I'm learning as I go. So I'm just wanted to record that video, share with everybody up there who is just getting started, and so we can help each other. So let's just get on it. And before I go and jump on my computer to show you the actual program, let me share with you the actual unit. So that's how the actual unit looks. It's a Allen Bradley Micrologix1000. And for Micrologix1000, you will be able to download a free program from Allen Bradley's website. Basically what we got here is, you can see, let me see where my finger is. We can see the power, run, fault. You can see when you're forcing some inputs or outputs. You can see the inputs right here, and they're connected. And you can see them also here. That's the two push buttons. They're black, so they're normally open. Once you push them, you close them. Then you have the red ones, which works opposite on the black one. So they're normally closed, and once you push them, you open them. And also right here on the bottom, we have 2 toggle switches, which can be on and off. In our outputs, let's make some space. You can see we have 0, 1, 2, 3, or total of 4 outputs, and we have a green, red, yellow, and blue light. So I will show you how the program works. I will connect it very quick. The idea, like I said, is behind the stoplight or traffic light. Let's plug it in and come back just in a second. So we are running. Like we can see, power is on, the run is on, and the way the program is it's supposed to run right away, but what I did is I actually connect the program on a switch, so I can stop and start the program. So the idea behind the program is, like I said, we're going to talk about it in a second on the computer, but once I turn this switch on, we're going to have the red light is going to turn on for 12 seconds. So the car needs to stop and wait. After that, we're gonna turn the green light for 8 seconds, so the car can go. And then we're gonna have the amber light transition between green and red. The amber will be on for 4 seconds. Let's see how this is gonna play. So we can see the red light is on. You can see the output light, the indicator light is on too. 12 seconds. Then we're gonna get to the red one. Now the car have just 8 seconds to pass. Once the 8 seconds is over, we're gonna get to the yellow one. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the red one. Very nice, very simple. It's gonna show us a lot. So let's just turn it off and let's get on our computer and get straight on it. Hey guys, there is the program. We're on our computer now, and let's see what we got here. It's already in remote run, like you can see. So how we're gonna do that is we basically gonna use a time on delay instruction, and then we're gonna use couple comparison right here. So now how the program works, what happened. Let's first talk about it, and let's then change the switch, actually from our physical device, change the switch to close. and then we're gonna follow together how it's actually working on to the program. If you're looking for the comparing instruction, they're right here. Then right here you have the timer. Then there is your regular contacts right here and output. Now, the way I started this right here, that's the same switch, and that's input number 5, and that's the switch I just showed you, which I'm turning on and off my program. Originally was without it, but was running constantly, so I needed a way to be able to stop it, so without taking it down from the PLC. So that's our switch right here. Once we turn the switch, the toggle switch on, this will energize our time on delay. Our time on delay, that's the total of the time we're gonna use for the rest of the program. So like you can see, total is 24 seconds. So we have our red light right here, we have our green light right here, and we have our amber or yellow light right here. That's our outputs. And what we have here on the first row is we have again my switch, my condition when to start the program, and then we have in series we have the done bit, which is normally close. So when we start the program, the done bit is not going to be activated, and the done bit will activate once we are done with the counting. So it's gonna run, and like you can see here, the comparison or our what word I'm looking for exactly? Our condition. So our condition will be, we're gonna take the time from source A, which is the timer from the accumulating value, and we're gonna get from 0 to 12 seconds, and we're gonna activate the red light. So in the next rank, once we pass the 12 seconds, the red will deactivate because this is not gonna be true anymore, and then we're gonna get to the great than or equal, and from 12 to 20 seconds, so greater or equal of 12 and less than 20, so between 12 and 20, that's our 8 seconds, the green light will be on. And of course our main timer continued to go. Once we pass 20, and we're gonna move to here, and from 20 to 24, greater than 20 and less than 24, we're gonna have our yellow light on. Once we do that, our timer will be to 24 seconds, which will activate the done bit, and the done bit, like you can see, all these 3 rungs will open, but on the last one will close, and we're using this one to reset our timer and start everything from the beginning. Very simple, and you can learn a lot. So let's see, I will do switch my switch, and we're just gonna follow if that's what is gonna happen. We can see our switch close. Now the timer start, and as we started from 0 to 12 seconds, our red light is on. You can see the green. Once we are at 12, we are turning the green light and the red light turns off. This will be till 20 seconds, 19, 20. Then we're gonna jump to the amber light just for 4 seconds, and after that we're just gonna reset everything. I think it happened very quick, so just reset everything, and we're going back from the beginning. 12, now we're gonna go to the green. Once we pass 20, it's gonna go to the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna reset it. Yes, it's happening so fast. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any advices, any tips, or something you guys think we can add to that, please let me know, comment below. And if you guys like the content and what I've been posting, I know I've been between universal robots and this logic and electro-hydraulics. It's just, I'm going to school at the moment, and there is just a lot of stuff coming into my head which I'm trying to share with you and make a video. But if you guys like the content, please subscribe, share with your friends who is doing kind of the same thing, who are interested in automation, because there is going to be way more videos to come. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you next time.